Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a gift card on DoorDash. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's say you have DoorDash open on your iPhone or Android, or even you go to just DoorDash.com. I'm going to walk you through some options you have to use that gift card. Now, the first thing we're going to do is tap on where it says Me at the very bottom right. You can see now that I'm in here, you can see right next to Orders, I'm going to choose Settings. Now, there are two potential gift cards. One is a DoorDash gift card that you can easily just add as credit, or maybe it's a Visa or MasterCard gift card that you want to then use to buy DoorDash. I'm going to show you both options. Now, all you need to do is scroll down. You can see Account Settings, and you're going to go to Payment here and tap on that. You should see at the very top your already saved payment methods, your Visas, gift cards, all that stuff that you already have in there. But let's scroll down here. You can see Redeem Gift Card. Just tap on that. And it says Enter Gift Card PIN. Or you can just hit the little image here and go to Settings and allow camera access to be able to take a photo of that. But again, this is if you have a physical or an email version of a gift card to DoorDash. So all you need to do is enter that in here. And then after you've done that, if you go back, you'll see DoorDash credits will just be topped up and you'll be able to use those automatically. However, let's say in your instance, you have a Visa gift card or a MasterCard gift card, and you want to use that to do DoorDash. All you need to do is scroll up from here and you can see credit or debit card. We're going to act as if that Visa gift card or whatever gift card is just a normal credit or debit card. So enter in the card number, you're going to enter in the expiration date and then the CVC. And of course, the United States or whatever country you're in. However, in most cases, people get hung up on the zip code because essentially all of that information is on that card except for the zip code. So the first thing that I would recommend doing is trying the zip code for your address, your physical address, wherever your home is that it might have been registered to. So you can just enter in your zip code, whatever it may be, and then hit the save button and try to see if it works. If that doesn't work, there are some other options if you still don't know that zip code. One option is that you can try some generic zip codes. You can see it says using 1111, generally doesn't work, but it could work. Another alternative is to use 12345. As a zip code for that Visa gift card. Again, these are kind of generic zip codes that could potentially be tied in to that gift card that you received. Or keep in mind, even if the buyer has put their zip code in there, you might want to use their zip code. So if somebody bought you a gift card and they are from Michigan or something like that, you can always just check the zip code from where they are and use that. So you're trying to guess and get an idea of that. However, if either of those still don't work, you can always just head into Amazon instead. And then within Amazon, you can just search for a DoorDash gift card. You can see in this case, I can just buy a DoorDash gift card for myself, either an e-gift card or a physical gift card, and then just have that emailed to me or delivered directly to me. And then, of course, on Amazon, you can add that Visa or MasterCard gift card to be able to use it on there. Just basically add up your Amazon credit or top up your Amazon credit. And then you can, from there, look to see about buying a DoorDash gift card. Sometimes it won't let you transfer one gift card to another. So depending on basically what Amazon decides to do in this moment, they constantly change it around and it doesn't seem consistent for everybody. But I would recommend trying this to see if you're able to buy just a DoorDash gift card that is directly DoorDash through Amazon using your Visa or MasterCard or something like that. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.